Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Firstly, just open albums and look for your photos that you wish to get rid of. Then hold one of them. And to pick multiple right away, use those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Select All at the top. And to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. To get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!